Hi folks, Luca, SharperTrades. The S&P 500 continue to stall here at the 525 resistance that we draw. Support is the 80 and 516, 517. Any break below that, do expect a retest of the 509 and the 50 SMA. Resistance moving forward, 533 and 540. Into the individual stocks, the oil continues to move higher. Today we picked the APA. This is a swing. I like the look of this. Good volume. Breakout. We enter around 35. First target 37. Above that 39 and 41. There was a dark pool activity yesterday, a few days ago. 34.50 average, a large one, 4 million. So almost very strong. Support is the 80 and 33. It's volatile and it's commodity related, so do put that into consideration, but the technical show bullish edge. Baidu is a Chinese company, AI, has potential. I like the volume that's been coming in. And because of the Chinese market exposure, it's volatile to the problems, the geographical issues, and the market in China has been recovering some, but still not in great shape. Nevertheless, this one has potential, looking for 112, 117, and 122 support is the 50 SMA, below that 103. Are you tired of playing the guessing game in the stock market? It's time for a change. It's time to trade with smart money. Introducing Dark Option Flow, your key to trading success. Tracking unusual options, dark pools, and insiders' activities in real time. Trade alongside smart money. This is the game billionaires and investors don't want you to know. Dark Option Flow, your pathway to trading success. Try it today with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Join us today, 100% risk-free. Your success story begins with Dark Option Flow. Visit darkoptionflow.com and start trading in the know. Dark Option Flow, because your success matters. See you inside.